Hello students, how are you? I'm your biology educator Dr. Meetu Bhavnani. So today I'm going to discuss the most important topic, the most important problems which generally students face, that how to handle anxiety before exam day. Your NEET the exam of NEET is going to happen very soon. Definitely anxiety suffering is, common to all students. Anxiety means overthinking. You are overthinking about your exams, what will happen in the exam, what questions will come in the exam. Don't worry. Don't think so much. Only focus on your studies. So I have write some important points. According to this, if you follow this video, if you follow these points in this video, you will definitely feel some relaxation. Now some students who are watching this video maybe have some different kind of exam on tomorrow. So these points will definitely going to help you before an exam day to relax your mind, to reduce anxiety and have a positive mindset always. Now, be in a calm situation. Okay, tomorrow is your exam. It is okay. In life, every day there is a challenge. Every day there is an exam. But if you keep your mind in a calm situation, you are able to deal with all the problems and challenges of your life. Okay, so it's just an exam, not a big deal. Have 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Some students, what do? They kept on cramming, they kept on revising, ratta lagana. They kept on cramming before an exam day to excel in the exam. This will create too much excitation in their mind. What will going to happen on the next day? You don't know what kind of questions are coming. You are just preparing for yourself. You are just, marking the PYQs and MCQs that such type of question may be come in the exam, but you don't know what actually is going to come in the exam. Okay. So have 7 to 9 hours of sleep will relax your hypothalamus, the complete all the lobes of your brain and allow you to rejuvenate or regenerate on tomorrow to give the exam properly. Okay. Now, keep your all essential materials like pencil, pen, ID and all other document. That is very important thing. And many students did such mistakes every time. They never keep all the documents at one place. And on the second day, whenever you are going to give the exam, what will happen? Something is going to missing. Pen is not there, pencil is not there, your Aadhaar card is not there, maybe your admit card is not there. This will create too much havoc on the exam day. So this point is very important. Maintain your bag, maintain everything at one place before an exam day. That is very important, because a single mistake of missing any of the documents of your NEET exam will going to completely disturb the exam. You means your complete year got disturbed. For what you are studying? Why are you studying if you are not allow you to sit in the exam? Just because you missed one of the documents which are actually required in your NEET exam. Getting my point? Okay. Now, in a proper way and manner, avoid last minute craving. Craving means ratta lagana. Craving means ratta lagana. Continuously you are studying and studying and studying. The last moment, I must suggest to students, don't study anything. Keep your mind relaxed, have confidence, have faith in God. Whatever you did in these 10 to 12 months, 10 to 11 months, that is sufficient. Whatever you did, you have did it in a confident manner. So have confidence on yourself. Keep your mind relaxed. Keep your mind, everything is going to be good. All is well, all is well, all is well. Okay. Now you can do some slight stretching and some deep breathing exercise. This will make your mind relax. Means before an exam day, your main goal is to keep yourself relaxed. That's it. Nothing more than this. Now, some more points, through which you can have a positive mindset before an exam day. That is, visualize success. Think that tomorrow my NEET exam will be there and the questions will come and all the questions are ticked by me. I'm not going to create any silly mistake. I'm not going to give a negative marking, and all the questions will come and I am going to crack the NEET and will grab the top medical college for MBBS and BBS. Okay. Avoid comparison. Don't call to your friend, what are you doing? Have you done your human physiology? I am doing ecology. No. If you want to do, that is your choice. Okay, but don't call any of your friend. Don't scroll so much social media before that, otherwise your eyes will get panic or unrelaxed. So keep your mind and your body from head to toe complete in a relaxation mode, because you have to deal a pressure in the exam day. Some questions are coming, some like in a physics section, maybe some tedious questions will come, and your complete energy is going to uh, put it on the on those questions of examination. So before a day, if you get relaxed, you are able to fetch the complete ATPs from your mitochondria in the body, and then jog do. Okay, now avoid comparison. Don't do any comparison. And in life, whatever you become, don't compare yourself with anyone, because you are unique. You are the creator of God, and God always create a unique personality. God always put a unique aura in that particular mind and body. So whatever you are doing, give your best and have faith and confidence. Okay, positive self talk. Talk to yourself positively. Never say any negative words. Universe never like negative words. Universe always like positive. I'm going to become a doctor. I'm going to become a doctor. Whatever I'm reading, whatever I'm thinking, whatever I'm grabbing is the bestest thing. Okay, Vedantu is giving best to all the students. Thanks to your mentors, thanks to your teachers, thanks to universe. So this is a self-talk you're doing with yourself. So body will feel very nice. The person is very nice. I'm going to help that person on the examination day. Okay. And finally, have confidence and faith in God. All things going to happen good. All is well. Okay, students. So these points you should keep in mind before an exam day. NEET exam is there. Maybe some students are from IIT, JEE. Some are doing some UPSC examination. So particularly these points are helpful for all the students who are watching this video. Okay, students, thank you so much. Have a nice day.